Om Shanti, 1st July 2020. In today's Murli, Shiv Baba is recalling the subject of service, where he's reminding that you shall open big centers in cities and shall also open centers in small villages, because everyone deserves Baba's knowledge. Shiv Baba said that your centers should be so attractive enough that people come and they really understand your stuffs. And you shall also provide a good Brahma Kumari, or the one who can explain things in a better way, because if just one Brahma Kumari is not speaking well or not making people understand well in a good way, then people have this preconceived notion that every Brahma Kumari is exactly the same. So this one thing has to be considered, that we shall be in absolute cooperation, where we are promoting each one, we are promoting ourselves in a really systematic manner and helping to grow Shiv Baba's service. Shiv Baba has also talked about the cycle, where he has reminded the 84 births. This 84 births is something that we listen in every day's Murli. But the important thing that we need to understand is how much are we inculcating this thing in our consciousness. Like Shiv Baba says that in a particular race where there is this child who's running from one position, touching something in the upcoming position and is returning to his teacher. So this is the race that you children also perform. You are now returning to your father after completing the race of the 84 birth cycle. And however, Shiv Baba has also mentioned that you have the spiritual race in your lives, which is absolutely independent of any age group or the condition of the body. It's highly independent from all that. So it's important for we children to have this understanding, whatever Shiv Baba is giving, that this is a spiritual study. This is not something, this is not something physical. Like Shiv Baba says that doctors, they study so many books, and then they learn how to inject an injection to a body. So Shiv Baba says that I'm also teaching you, but I'm teaching you how to inject injections inside the souls. I'm teaching you the way of providing happiness to souls. There is no point of holding that materialistic injection here. So Shiv Baba is actually giving us highest on high education that one can actually have in their lives. Shiv Baba has talked about success today, where he says that a real success could be achieved only when you bring transformation in your lives, because people want a practical proof of transformation. So the true success that Shiv Baba can count on is the transformation. The real service or the real success in service is nothing but to have the knowledge inculcated in our lives. Like Shiv Baba says that, suppose if Shiv Baba says that you have to be cooperative among each others, so how much are we practically making that thing real in our lives? If Shiv Baba says that you are deities, how much are we realizing this? Or we are putting so much effort to keep this thing in our minds? So this one thing has to be made really clear, that when Shiv Baba is talking about service, so he is talking about that practical proof in our lives first. Like in the question, Shiv Baba mentioned the wonder of the world, where he's clearly telling us that this wonderful world cycle where souls are coming, introducing their religion, going back to their religion again, exactly the same section, and are returning to this world according to their particular time. It's a really wonderful play that we children need to understand. Om Shanti.